Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the right asset and target slide. Import a 1920 by 1080 MP4 or an animated GIF. This gives smooth motion and fits common projectors. Once imported, insert the file as background or full slide picture and set it to play automatically. Make sure to lock aspect ratio so nothing stretches. You do this now so later transitions and overlays align perfectly. This early decision prevents rework and keeps your slide timings consistent across devices. Once the background is placed, you layer animations and sync timings. Add entrance or emphasis animations to foreground elements and align their start to the background video's playback. Choose with previous or after previous depending on intent. Use the animation pane to fine-tune delays and durations and consider motion paths for subtle object movement. If you use Morph Transition, duplicate the slide and adjust element positions. Morph will interpolate movement, creating a polished, professional effect when played. To finish, test the slide in slideshow mode and export a short MP4 to confirm consistent playback across systems. If you notice lag, compress media and lower resolution, or convert GIF to MP4 using H.264 for better performance. Make sure to embed fonts and check codecs on the target machine. If motion stutters, update PowerPoint, disable hardware acceleration, or replace the file. These steps usually resolve playback issues quickly and keep your presentation looking smooth for any audience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.